these are the water lines that I need to hide. I'm not going to cut them out. I'm going to leave them here. This sewage pipe also I will cut it like flush or on the same level as the floor, and I will cover it. So if anybody in the future wants to, I don't know, make a kitchen here again, they have all the pipes in place. So yeah, I have already closed this line, but I'm going to open this line, so I need to cover that part here so I can get water for my renovation works, mostly for the new wood burning oven. I need to have quite a lot of water. So I removed all the structure, as you can see. There are some rocks and stuff, and I added some support under the floor joists, and also added some blocking because it was empty space here. So the pieces I cut, I added here, so it keeps the insulation in place. The same over here. And now I will cover all the wood because I don't want it to be in contact with concrete. And yeah, I have to fill this space a bit, and then later I will pour concrete even with this floor and this floor here. So just in case, I covered all the wood with this waterproof material, and yeah. So next I will remove this structure here. You can see here the like a smoke channel into the chimney. So there's round pipe and it comes from the floor. So basically from there it goes down and comes up here and then enters the chimney.